we had ordered for some spares from abroad, and they are a bit delayed due to the coronavirus. We are also engaging with the county government of Kakamega with regard to sugarcane outgrowers. As you all know, the county government of Kakamega has set aside a budget of 100 million shillings towards this aspect.
Last time when our cane was being burnt by arsonists, Moreni came to aid, West Kenya came to aid, Butali came to aid, and even Nzoia. Therefore, in as far as the relationships are within the sugar industries, we help one another. It's not that it's for the first time